Hello everyone, welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to create an API request in the easiest way. If you just starting with API or want to understand how to send request, this video is for you. So let's begin. In Postman, multiple ways for creating a request. As you can view here, when first time open the Postman, here option available HTTP request. Now, another option available, click on cancel and then click on new and then click on HTTP. You can create a request by clicking on new and then click on HTTP. And other option also available in Postman for creating a request. Click on this option file and then click on new and then click on HTTP. Now, understand about this request section. This is HTTP methods: get, post, put, delete. You need to enter the endpoint URL here. You just need to enter the URL of the API here and then click on send. Get. Get request is one of the most common types of API request. It is used to fetch data from a server, like getting user details, a list of products, or any available information from a website or application. For example, if you want to get user information from an API, we simply send a get request to the corrected URL and the server gives back the data in the response. Now, open Chrome browser. Here you can view multiple APIs are available. So get, these are the get APIs. In the get APIs, you will get 200 response code and this is the response. Suppose you want to get all the user list. Okay, so you need to enter this URL and you will get all the user list. If you want to fetch the specific records, suppose you want to only ID to record, so you need to pass the ID after users. Now we will see how to send the request. So click on this link. In the response, you are getting multiple user records. Copy this URL, open Postman and enter URL here. This is the method. You need to select get method. As you can view here, get is method and the URL, and you will get the response 200. Now click on send. In the body section, you can view the response. Here, option available, you can view in raw, preview, visualize, and response code 200. Okay, 200 standard response for successful HTTP request. It means the request is successfully sent and you are getting 200 response. This is the time of execution. You get the response, and this is the size 1.6 KB. Response size, headers, body, headers. This is the complete size of the response. Now, suppose you want to fetch only ID to it. So click on this link, copy this complete URL, open Postman and enter URL here. Click on send. When you are executing this request, you can view in the left side this all the request here. You can create a collection. In upcoming tutorial, I will explain about the collection, how you can create a collection. Okay, click on send. Now, in the pretty section, you can view we are getting only ID to only one record, because here we defined user 2. To get in here user 3 and missing API key. We are getting missing API key because we need to enter API key. So we can get the API key from this link, copy this URL and enter here. We need to copy this complete URL and enter URL here. Now here you can view get free API key. In upcoming tutorial, I will explain how you can add the API key. For now, you can just understand about the get method and how we can send the request. Now click on send and we are getting the response. That's our for today tutorial. Now you learn what a get request is and how to use it to fetch data from an API. In the next videos, we will cover post, put and delete requests too. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to SK World. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.